Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back, welcome back. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. So next time I'll be saying welcome back to you as well. So in this video, I will be doing an unboxing and demo of this brand new e-file. At the end of the video, I will tell you how you could win it. Yes, you guys, I'm gonna unbox it, I'm gonna do a demo, and then I'm giving it away. Now, before we get into that, I gotta give a hey girl, hey to my newest nail sister, Camille. Thank you so much. She wanted to show some support. She's a new subscriber. Thank you for subscribing, first of all, and thank you for the donation. I pray that the universe brings it back to you tenfold. All right, you guys, let's get into the video. So here is the box. There was a plastic wrapping on it. I went ahead and took that off because there was a glare, but let me show you guys the entire package, you guys. So here's the side of the box. It tells you some of the product features. It's 35,000 RPMs, which is really, really fast when you're trying to debulk a nail or remove acrylic, which you'll watch me do very shortly. So that's what it has on the side panel. And then on this side, it shows you different colors that they have. So you can see they have rose gold, which I think is really pretty. They have gold, which is the one that I have. So I'll be showing you the gold in a minute. And then they also have violet. So on this side of the box, they just have like the speed. I already talked to you about the input of the machine and boring stuff. That side is boring. No one cares about that stuff. All right, you guys. So let's just dive in. Who's excited? If you are excited about this e-file giveaway, make sure you put it in the comments below so that I know you guys are ready. All right, so inside the box, of course, you get the little instruction booklet or pamphlet, I should say. And so it just shows you how to use it, technical parameters, what the kit comes with, and things like that. So here's the outside of the little manual. You guys, okay, so let's just get into the box. Do y'all see this foot pedal? Oh my gosh, I love an e-file that comes with a foot pedal. You guys already know that. You guys already know. Okay, so let's just take it out the package. Oh my God, it's so shiny. Oh my God, it's gold. I feel like gold is a universal color. Like men could use it, women could use it. So whoever wins this giveaway, you guys, it doesn't matter. I want all of you guys to enter, male or female. If you do nails and you need a new e-file, enter. Again, at the end of the video, I'll tell you guys the rules on how you can enter and win this e-file. And if you do not win or you're not into giveaways for whatever reason, again, the link will be in the description box. You can get this e-file right from Amazon. Okay, so here is the hand piece. The hand piece is very, very important. You have to make sure that your e-file hand piece is light. Okay, you cannot have a heavy hand piece. After a while, that is going to cause repetitive use trauma to your hand, your wrist. Oh my gosh, carpal tunnel is not fun, you guys. Arthritis is not fun, you guys. Make sure your e-file hand piece is very light and it does not vibrate or bounce when you turn it on. So this is how you would plug up the hand piece, and it goes right into the front of the e-file, which I think is just so cute. It's just so cute, like a little place for it to just sit, right? So now I'm going to turn it on. And I'm gonna turn it up and I'm gonna be quiet. Be quiet so you guys can hear it vibrate or not vibrate, okay? So let's put it on the table. I've seen somebody else on YouTube do this. I'm gonna put it on the table and you guys can listen, and you wanna make sure that it's not bouncing all over the table, okay? That's the key. You don't want it to bounce all over the table. Okay, so I did it in the forward position. I am going to now hit the reverse button. And so now we're going to listen to it going in the reverse position, and I'll let that sit on the table as well so you guys can watch it. Okay, very good. So it didn't jerk, vibrate, bounce all over the table or anything weird like that, which is a very good sign. So now I'm going to test out the foot pedal for you guys. I love a good foot pedal. Whoever gets used to using an e-file with a foot pedal, it's going to be hard for you guys to go back to using an e-file without a foot pedal, because for me, it was like, going back and forth was a transition, you guys. It really was. But okay, so let me be quiet. You guys can watch how stepping on the foot pedal turns the e-file on and releasing your foot turns it off. So I'll let you guys watch that. That is so cool, right, you guys? I just love, love, love a foot pedal. Okay, so here are the drill bits that come with the e-file. These are standard. I feel like every single e-file on Amazon these days comes with this exact same pack of drill bits. I'm not going to use that because, again, I'm giving it away. So I pulled out one of my old drill bits, and I'll be using one of my old drill bits, you guys. I am going to remove, let's remove my thumb. Let's remove my thumb. I want to see how powerful this e-file is. So I have it turned all the way up, and I'm just going to remove my acrylic. So I'm gonna keep this in real time. I want you guys to see how long it's going to take me to remove acrylic from my nails. Okay, I'm not gonna soak it. I'm not gonna do any of that. I'm just going to use this e-file, and I'm going to remove this acrylic. All right, so you guys can watch me do that. I'm going to read to you some of the functions that I saw about this e-file on Amazon that I thought was really, really cool, you guys. So of course it goes from 0 to 35,000 RPMs. It has an adjustable speed, but this is what's cool because I never really saw an e-file company or the instructions break it down like this for beginners. And I think it's really, really cool that they did that. So from 0 to 15,000 RPMs, you want to use that mainly for your natural nails, or if you're doing a manicure, or if you're working on cuticle removal, okay? So that's 0 to 15,000 RPMs. Of course, this is just for you guys that are beginners. If you are seasoned pros and you know how to work an e-file, I'm not talking to you, but you guys are still welcome to listen and still welcome to enter the giveaway at the end. All right, so from 0 to 15,000 RPMs, mainly for the natural nails, manicures, and cuticle removal. From 15,000 to 25,000 RPMs, that's more suited for filing and shaping the top of your polygel, your gel, or acrylic nails. Okay, so hold that thought. I want to show you guys my thumb. That went really quickly, you guys. That went really quickly. The drill bit that I'm using, by the way, in case you guys are wondering, is from Amazon. It's a 5-in-1, and I will leave that in the description box as well in case you guys are wondering. So I skipped my ring finger because that one has bling on it, and I went for my middle. So my thumb, I removed that acrylic so quickly, I decided to just do a whole nother one for you guys. So I'm gonna do my middle finger as well. All right, so back to what I was saying, 15,000 to 25,000, that's for, you know, surface work, your polygel, your gel, your acrylic, your shaping, the enhancement. And then 25,000 to 35,000 RPMs, that's for more professionals. I would say if you're a beginner, I wouldn't, you know, advise you to turn your e-file up past 25,000 RPMs. But if you guys are more advanced, you could use that setting like I'm doing right now to remove or debulk your acrylic. And obviously it's gonna melt right through like butter. Do y'all see that? It's just melting off like butter, you guys. It's coming off so quickly. All right, so this e-file also has a forward position, which I am using right now because I am holding the e-file in my right hand. So right hand equals forward position rotation of the e-file. So you know what I think I'm gonna do? Since I already removed 2 nails and you guys saw how good that worked in the forward position, like it went by really, really quickly, I am going to do my left hand now. Yes, I'm going to use my left hand, you guys, and I'm going to remove acrylic now on my right hand for you guys. I hate doing this on camera. I hate removing or using the e-file in my left hand on camera because it's hard to do. Like I have to rest my hand on something and it's just like, oh, it's just so annoying. But for the sake of the demonstration, I will do it for you guys. So I have the e-file turned all the way up still. We'll just see how it goes. I'm just being very, very careful. I have to rest my hand, like normally in my lap. I have my hand in my lap or I have it resting on just something because using my left hand with the e-file is just not easy. It's not easy for me. I'm just going to rest my hand here, you guys. I did not want to rest my hand on the actual machine because I didn't want to get it dusty. But you guys, I just have to. I literally have to. I promise that I will wipe this all down and polish it up and make it look brand new again for the giveaway, okay? All right, so you see how long it's taking me to remove the acrylic from my right hand? That's just because I don't know. I have less dexterity with my right hand than my left. I just do. So it always takes me longer to do things with my left hand. I get the job done now. I get the job done. I always do, but it just takes me a little bit longer. But I just want to show you guys that. I just wanted to demonstrate the e-file going in forward, going in reverse, and doing something hard. This is a lot of work. When you ask the e-file to debulk acrylic is very hard. When you ask your e-file to debulk that or to remove it, you know, it's doing a lot of work. So I just wanted to show you guys that this e-file can get the job done, you guys. This is a really professional e-file if you were in a professional setting, but also very beginner friendly. Now I'm gonna tell you one critique that I have for this e-file. There is something that I feel would make this e-file even better. Do you guys know? What do you think it is? What do you think will make this e-file even better? I'm gonna give you guys like 5 seconds to respond because I've mentioned this before. If it had an LCD screen, like a digital LCD screen, where you can know exactly how much RPMs you're using at that time, I feel like that would be, ideal. That's ideal. And that would just make this e-file be so much better. So as it stands, obviously it works. It's really, really good. It's sturdy. The color is gorgeous. It's easy to use. The functions on it are great. There's a foot pedal. But if they had an LCD screen on there, oh my gosh, that would just set it over the top. It really would. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. The knob is really easy to use and see. It's really easy. But yeah, I just personally like a LCD screen. But that's the only critique that I have for this machine. Other than that, it works really, really well. Look at that. I was able to remove my acrylic really, really quickly, my left hand and my right hand. And yeah, so let me just clean off because I look a hot mess. So this e-file was sent to me. It was sent to me from an Amazon seller. So of course I had to use the e-file to give them my honest opinion on it. So that's why I ended up using it in the video. But you guys, I love it. And I'm just so happy to give this away to one of you guys. I really, really do love it. It took my acrylics off with no problem. It works great. The foot pedal on it is amazing. I just love it. So in order to win this e-file, you guys, I've already dropped most of the rules during the video. Okay, so the last and final rule to win this e-file is to just post this picture on any of your social media and comment below where you posted it so that I could go see it. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do. I try to make my giveaway rules so easy so that everybody could follow, everybody could enter. So good luck, you guys. Follow all the rules. And yeah, good luck. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.